Today, I'm going to be assisting my brother, well, he'll be doing the work because I'm a little out of commission right now, in replacing the rear rotors on a Toyota, what is this?
Venza.
Venza.
2013.
2013 Toyota Venza. Just loosen it. There's one on the bottom too. Right there, yeah.
You got a bird?
Chicken's next door.
Hey, Jeff's got a couple too. He's got a rooster. You got a rooster too, right?
No.
Oh, because you won't have eggs without the rooster.
No, I don't have baby chicks without the rooster.
Oh, yeah?
Still have eggs.
Oh, yeah? But they needed a rooster for the eggs.
So it's a 17 on those back bolts for the bracket.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta break it loose first.
Mm.
Yeah, just break it loose with the ratchet. Just gotta push. This thing's tight as hell. Push. Man, you're getting weak, kid. You better get back in that gym.
It's just a bad angle.
Take the hose off and bend it down more. Take the hose off.
Hold on.
Yeah, put it like that.
Yeah.
There you go. Now you got better leverage. Jesus, these things are a bitch. Now you gotta break the bottom one too. There we go. Alright, now you use the ratchet. Yeah, those things are tight as hell, man.
Bitch. There you go. How long is it?
There you go. I didn't know why they charge so much damn money to do brakes. Get that bolt out and you should be able to take that bracket right off. Beautiful. Now on this rotor, is there any screws on this rotor?
I don't think so.
They should pop off. Go get a hammer. Take that, smash that thing. Alright, it should come right off. Whew. Don't breathe that in.
Big shoe.
Let's see what your shoes look like. Yeah, they're not bad. Look awfully thin, don't they? Guess that's the way they are. Clean that off with some soapy water. Don't need brake clean for this. Just get some of that dust out of there. There we go. Where's the new rotor? This might go together like it's supposed to. So anyway, he's doing these rear brakes because when he hits the brake, the rear brakes are pulsating because the rotors are bent.
High speed.
And he just decided to replace them instead of trying to get them cut. rubber piece, you gotta take it off the other one and put it on there.
Oh yeah.
It's just the covers for your brake adjuster. See the two marks right there? So line that up.
Oh yeah.
Like that, yep. There you go. Yeah, I should have put the rubber on after so we could have seen if it lined up or not. But we're not adjusting the brakes anyways, right?
I'm sure that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
So just put it on there and check your brake adjustment. See how the pocket brake is before we put it together. See if it feels all right. Good? Yeah, it's locked. Alright, so we don't need to adjust it. Now you gotta put that bracket back on. You know, just put the bolts in one at a time. Get them started first by hand so you don't strip them. Good?
Yeah.
Tighten them up with the ratchet now. What's the matter?
The clip is.
Yeah, put that side in first. Like angle it. Angle it a little bit. Top out. Yeah, put it in first. There you go. There you go. Now you gotta put the caliper back on.
Yep.
Let's do it with the screws.
Do it over there.
Over tighten.
Yep, that's good.
Alright, get that wheel back on. And that's how you do the rear rotors on a Toyota. What is this? Venza. Y'all take care. God bless. And I'll see you on the next one.